Here's this. This is the One Piece toy that I brought yesterday. And here's a straw hat. And here's a shirt. And here's his shorts. And here's his head. I want to show you how flexible he is. It's not really elastic, but I didn't get the elastic one. That's okay. And his head doesn't come out, if you're wondering that. This is a shirt made by 4Kids TV. If you don't know what 4Kids TV is, it's a thing. So next time I'll make a movie about this. I'll make a stop motion cartoon if you like, but you have to subscribe. So subscribe and yeah, just enjoy. So I just wanted to show you this, and yeah, if I'm wasting your time, then I'm sorry, but I hope you have a good day. Next time I'm gonna play Minecraft, so you better watch out for that video. Subscribe and give a like to that video, the Minecraft video that I'm gonna make. And yeah, also in this video too, not just any video, but yeah, bye.